And then you, Deborah number 2, okay, yells out the answer. And so instead of just concentrating on you, like I should, what do we often do? It's like the bionic man. I mean, radar goes right on the person who's doing the behavior. She wants my attention. Well, she got it. And we often forget about Deborah over here. So I go right here and I say, was I talking to you? And you say? Then here's what happens. Here's what happens. Questions always beget questions. It's getting the power struggle. Was I talking to you? No. Then why did you blurt out? How many times have I told you not to do that? At your age, I shouldn't have to tell you, right? And by the way, where have you been? Okay? So whenever you ask questions of kids to manage behavior, you get yourself caught up into that crazy power struggle cycle, if you will, that never kind of goes anywhere. It just kind of unravels. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.